Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use your Binance Light Mode for beginners. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Binance application. Make sure that you're logged in, tap on your profile, and then you want to simply go ahead and switch the modes to Lite from Pro. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and go back to your home. And as you can see, you can see a list of top cryptos with simplified price trends. You can also go ahead and start a buy order. Just choose a coin and tap on buy. Just choose a coin and tap on buy to initiate your purchase, and you can select buy or sell, enter the universal value to spend, and then you can simply go ahead and connect your payment method and confirm your transaction. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.